Notion is a popular accounting software, but before you dive in and make your purchase, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, we'll break down 12 key points you should consider when choosing Notion over other accounting software options on the market. First off, Notion is known for its customizable workspace. While it offers great flexibility, it can be overwhelming for beginners who are used to more straightforward platforms like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. So, if you prefer simplicity and ease of use, it might take a little time to adjust. Next thing, Notion's pricing structure is a big factor to think about. It's affordable at first glance, but the costs can add up quickly as you need to upgrade for additional features. Unlike some competitors that offer flat rate pricing with essential features included, Notion's pricing tiers can catch you off guard as you scale up your business. The third thing, Notion is incredibly powerful when it comes to integrations. However, if you're heavily reliant on other software for payroll, invoicing, or tax filing, you might find that Notion doesn't always integrate as seamlessly as competitors like Xero or Zoho Books. This could mean additional setup time and frustration. Another thing to consider is its user interface. While some users love the design and flexibility, others find it clunky compared to options like Wave or Sage, which have more intuitive dashboards for managing accounting tasks. The fifth thing, Notion offers excellent project management features, but this might not be your primary need if you're strictly looking for accounting functions. If you're seeking straightforward financial tools without the extra bells and whistles, there are other platforms out there that focus purely on accounting, such as FreshBooks or QuickBooks. Next thing, Notion's customer support is often praised for its responsiveness. But if you're new to accounting software, you might struggle with the self-help resources, as they can be more general and not specific to accounting tasks. Compare this to QuickBooks, where you'll find robust help guides and a more established support system. The seventh thing, if you need advanced reporting, Notion does offer customizable reports, but it's not as feature-rich as other accounting software like Xero, which allows for more granular control over financial data and analytics. If reporting is a high priority for you, you might be better off with a more specialized option. The eighth thing, Notion's mobile app is convenient, but it doesn't provide the full functionality of the desktop version. If you need to do heavy accounting work on the go, this could be limiting compared to competitors who offer a more complete mobile experience, like Zoho Books. Another point to consider is the learning curve. While Notion offers great customization, it does come with a steep learning curve. If you need something that's easy to jump into without spending hours learning the system, platforms like QuickBooks or FreshBooks might be a better fit for you. Next thing, Notion is known for being collaborative, which is great for teams. However, if you're a solo business owner, you may find this feature unnecessary, and the added complexity could become a burden. Software like Wave, which is simpler, might be a better option for smaller single-user businesses. The 10th thing, Notion's security is solid, but not necessarily more secure than competitors like Xero, which offers higher-end encryption and added layers of security. If data protection is a top concern for your business, it's worth doing a deeper dive into each platform's security offerings. The 11th thing, Notion's scalability is something you'll appreciate as your business grows. However, scaling up often means additional costs and complexity, which may make platforms like QuickBooks Online more appealing due to their more predictable pricing and simpler scaling process. Lastly, if you want robust accounting tools with a focus on accuracy and reliability, Notion is a good choice, but it might not be the best for everyone. If you need something that's simpler, faster to implement, and geared strictly towards accounting, it's worth checking out our recommended solution that you can try for free. In conclusion, Notion is a versatile option for small businesses and teams, but it's not always the best for those who need a straightforward, no-frills accounting tool. If you want a more streamlined experience with better support and less complexity, check out our recommended solution for free and see if it's the right fit for your business.